Okay, hello, good morning. So today, naghatid kami ni Pim ng mga bata sa school. And then after that, nagpunta kami sa palengke. Bumili kami ng konting pang-ulam for a few days. And then after that, pagdating namin sa bahay, nung pala kami nagluto for breakfast. And so, late na kami magbe-breakfast ngayon. So I just wanna share you yung niluto namin ni Pim. Okay, so what do we have here? But first, Mami, say good morning.
Morning.
So we cook all this. Meron ditong pakbung or yung kangkong na stir fry lang namin sa sa konting garlic at saka konting nampa or yung patis ng Thailand. Okay? And then we have here yung fresh na ipil-ipil. Ang tawag nila dito sa Thailand is pakatin. Chamay ka, Mami? Pakatin. At saka yung sausawan niya, which is nampik. Ano yung nampik alay, Mami?
Nampik kapi.
Nampik kapi. Or yung, kapi is yung bagoong ng Thailand na fish paste nila. So, nampik is basically yun. At saka may konting mga sahog na lime. At saka ng chilies. Okay? Interestingly, itong ipil-ipil, yes, yung pinakamura na dahon ng ipil-ipil is kinakain. Yes. Ang lasa po niya is lasang, how do you call that? Lasang kamatsili. Oo, lasang kamatsili. Inuulam namin dito yan sa Thailand. And for me, it's good. It's really good. Although trigger siya sa gout or sa arthritis, pero we do eat this sometimes. Then what do we have here, Mami? This is keng, chamay kap?
Keng pak.
Keng pak.
Mixed vegetable, bamboo shoot here. And we put the dried fish.
Dried fish, Thailand style, dried fish.
Catfish.
Oo. This is catfish, but this is not yung dried fish na maalat. Hindi siya. Oo, hindi siya maalat.
They grill it first and dry.
Grilled it first and then dry. Yan sinasahog nila sa ulam sa keng. Now, let me just explain ano ang keng. Keng is like a curry actually, but don't be surprised kung ang curry dito sa Thailand, most of them actually, generally, are medyo soupy. Well, keng or curry actually is just, gagawa ka ng curry paste and then, ilalagay mo yung curry paste na yan as flavoring for the dish. So that is curry. So dito sa Thailand, yung curry paste nila is made from scratch. Hindi siya curry powder, hindi siya curry paste na binibili natin sa supermarket. So ito, ang curry paste nito are lemongrass, garlic. Mami, did you put homdeng? Konting shallots, meron ding kapi, which is the fish paste ng Thailand. Did you put manaw on it? No, okay. So, at saka konting turmeric. Konting turmeric. Now, if you will ask me kung ano lasa nito, well, actually, it doesn't look that appetizing kasi medyo maitim dahil yung soup na ginamit dyan is yung essence nung, a kind of leaf na nilalaga nila, tapos ginagamit nila yung soup nung leaf na yon for dishes like this. So, masarap siya. Actually, masarap siya. Parang bulang lang sa Philippines, pero mas maraming flavor at saka kasi meron yung curry paste. So, itong keng na to is actually mixed vegetables, sabi ni Pim. Ang ginamit namin dito is bamboo shoots at saka yung bulaklak ng alugbate. Kasi dito sa Thailand, mostly ang kinakain nila sa alugbate is yung bulaklak. Although kinakain din nila yung dahon ng alugbate, yung talbos ng alugbate. Pero sa atin kasi, dahon ng alugbate ang kinakain sa Philippines. Pero dito sa Thailand, mas gusto nila yung bulaklak. Now, if you will ask me kung ano ang lasa, well, ganun din, the same din, kaya lang medyo slimy. Pero ganun din yung dahon ng alugbate, medyo slimy. So, okay, let's try. Normally, paired yan sa keng na to, bulaklak ng alugbate at saka bamboo shoots. It's so fresh. Kasi yung bamboo shoots, fresh namin binili. Ako pa mismo ang nagbalat. From the market, ako pa nagbalat, ako pa nag-slice. Tapos ako din ang nagpisa-pisa ng konti. And then we put it here. So everything here is fresh except the fish which is dried. Okay? Aloy makmak, mami. Aloy makmak. So, let's try this. Okay. Ito. Naalala ko yung tito ko before my late uncle. Pag pinakakain siya ng tita ko ng gulay madalas, sabi niya, ginagawa daw siyang kambing ng tita ko. Well, that is just a joke. My tito baby. Hello, Tita Susan. Okay, let's try. Medyo may pagkalasa siya ng kamatsili. Yung matamis-tamis na kamatsili. Very fresh and taste. Actually, related sila sa kamatsili. Kaya, siguro, ganun ang lasa niya. So, kinakain yan with nampik. So, you can dip it. Yeah, that's how we do it here in Thailand. One dip. Never return, ha? One dip. And then, okay. Wow! Wow, that's strong. Mami! Pero masarap. Okay. Okay, here. Well, ito, regular namin itong kinakain, inuulam kasi madali siyang iulam at saka gusto ng mga bata. Especially ni Ben at ni Hannah, gusto nila yan. Okay. Still crunchy. Kasi that's how we cook vegetables here in Thailand, especially yung leafy vegetables. Hindi siya lutong-luto katulad ng ginagawa natin sa Philippines, which is lutong-luto na halos mahimay-himay na yung dahon. Okay? Dito sa Thailand, mas preferred namin yung medyo crunchy pa. Masarap! Mami, thank you for the breakfast. And belated happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you.